Blessings to everybody. Blessings everyone. I think we are getting to a certain point whereby we understand what the Bible says. Pray for the peace of Jerusalem. All right? Pray for the peace of Israel. We are getting there. The Bible talked about in the book of Ezekiel 38, right? And if you read the book of Matthew, whatever that is happening right now, it is a prophecy fulfillment. Yes! It's a prophecy fulfillment. And God has revealed to me a couple of months ago. I've been talking about this Israel of 18 since December here. I say I'm seeing war. I'm seeing battle in Israel. And it's happened now. In Israel and Iraq, they are bombing, killing. And what I saw is that I'm here to tell you that it's going to escalate to other countries. So pray. If it stops in Israel and Iraq, it will stop in other countries. But this stop, I see a bigger war.